Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello everyone and welcome. Now you all have learned salutations, magic words, and how are you in French, and you have learned so many responses. I hope you can't get so many responses anywhere. So our next crown is alphabets. Alphabets, you can't learn any language without learning its alphabets. So let's begin with our alphabets. You always repeat with me. So let's start. A B C D E F Z H I Z K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Now see, I'll circle some of the words. For example, F. Next, M. N. O. Next is L. S. Why I have encircled these words? The reason is these words have same pronunciation as in English. So let's revise it again. A B C D E F Z H I Z K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Now in French, A is pronounced as A and E is pronounced as A. I have told you this rule that the consonant at the end of word is not pronounced. Like como, patty, you will not pronounce it petit. This is patty. But in 90% cases, because 10% exceptions are there. For example, jour. Here we pronounced R. Jour means day. Avec means with. Here we pronounced avec. We pronounced C. Here we pronounced R. So some exceptions are there. You can learn side by side because it takes time to learn a different language. Now one more rule, that H is always silent in French. For example, you will not pronounce it hom. This is om. H is not considered. Om. Habite. H is silent. Write that rule also. ER gives a sound of A. I have given some sounds in my previous video also. So please don't forget to see these videos. So I hope you all have learned the alphabets in French and you all have learned the pronunciation rules. If you want some more pronunciation rules, please ask in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Thank you so much. Au revoir. À bientôt.